This is my niece Phindile. So we had to put names of abazukulu balayikhaya. Who's this?
Mpilo.
Yeah, nangu Mpilo.
Zanu.
Zano. This is Zano. Nangu Zano. This is my mom. Ustogo. Nokbonga. Minentle. Who else is here? There's Ayanda. Where's Ayanda? Ayanda's there. There's Ayanda. So we have names for Christmas tree. And then we made a special because we are spending Christmas without her. She passed away this year. So I'm a gift as more gifts are coming, and then our names are not here. And so now I'm going to change. Yeah, wear my outfits and I'll be back. And I'm back. Okay. I hope I won't fall on stage. Huh? What do you think of my outfits? Zano, an outfit here? You like it? Kama ubungenzi nje kanje.
Hayi wena bo.
Ubungenzi kanje. Phela manje sengathi siya activity hayi manje ukwazi uku-act. You don't act, you just yabo. Like kube normal. Hey, bye bye. Bye bye. Sambeni ngishekethini. Ngishekethini.